the diet always high protein, low carbs, low fat, plenty of water. Just water, just coffee, tea, no artificial sweetener. Actually very plain, no spices here, no pepper, no salt, anyway, no sodium. It's totally normal to suffer in the diet. Everyone who's not craving the diet for nothing is a liar. If I wouldn't be suffering the diet, it wouldn't be a diet at all. I'm willing to sacrifice a lot of things. The closer I come to the show, the more I feel weak, but I'll manage this, for sure. Try to do here half reps. You have to pay your dues, you have to go to the gym. If it's rainy, if it's cold, if your girlfriend broke up with you or if your boyfriend broke up with you, you have to go to the gym. One. Okay, perfect. Thank you very much. I'm done here. In order to be the best, I have to do cardio. If I like it, don't like it, I have just to do it.